Are you in favor of a gay being the President of the Republic of the Philippines? Why?
Emma?
Okay. Are you in favor of a gay being the President of the Republic of the Philippines? Why?
Ladies and gentlemen, a certain country is governed by anyone else. And the qualification itself is definitely you will be a liable Filipino citizen. Gender has never always been a question of whoever will govern a certain country. Simply it is because that they would say one thing, track of records is very important. But on the other hand, it is really what you want in life. Why do we have politicians? Why do others submerge and would like to adhere and would like to be a candidate? What is the meaning of governing the country? Why would you like to be the President of the Republic of the Philippines? Simply because it is not because that you're straight, you're gay, or anyone else. You want to serve the country. Otherwise, if you do not know how to reject from it, you won't be able to handle it. So, it's as simple as like this. Stop governing if you are just questioning. After all, it's not a matter of what you have, the personality that you've got. It is a matter of the urgeness that you want, the love for the people, the mass that you want, because something which is in your heart that you want to serve, because that will beneficiable for it. So as simple as like that. There's no question of being gay. What is the question? If you will do something which is not abiding the law, you're corrupt, you do not know how to foresee, you do not know how to respect. Above all, isn't it more beautiful if a gay president will govern the country? Simply because gays are really top of this world. Colorful, wonderful, and innovative. When we say innovative, there has something to do that she can do more over that. And there's only one tip. Behind those successful politicians, senators, advisors are great. Attorney at law are great gays. So there's nothing wrong with it, and it is really possible, not impossible. Just to believe in one's skills, because being gay is not a disability, but rather we've got these things which very, very special. Thank you. Teka naman, mama.
Palakpakan naman natin lahat ang ating kandidata for tonight, guys. Di ba?